prize to the winner, chosen by Romy James Marketing to be awarded and beneficiaries of Kapwa Award to receive. Pero awarding na point is sa barangay mismo nila. At tayo yung awarding dito. Ibukat, mga bugas, anak ni award. So, wala na ito niya sa barangay. Okay, now, let's award the fourth place for the quiz team. They will receive a consolation prize. Kit siya sa product na pwede na ninyo mahimo para mag-additional business. So, maghimo na mo. Fourth place ang barangay. Sila rin ito. Kadalian. Isa mag-receive. Barangay Kadalian. Sino Mahirin Valencia ang mag-receive. Second, third place, Barangay Tambubo. Additional business, balulagan ito 9,000 plus. Ang fund na na-generate. Bubo. Our second place, Barangay Witness. Barangay Witness. And of course, our champion, halos memorize yun ang mga regions. And of course, our champion for our quiz team, kaganiha, no other than I cash the mic, last starter kid, Barangay Carmen. Barangay Carmen, will receive a starter kit and mamasahe pa ulit. Wait, Tasha. Our last but not the least award, a special award na pinapili sa White Glow Management based on performance sa inyong mga trainings sa nag-generate na fund sa activeness sa participation. Ang ilang ma-receive kainaan na sila cash prize plus starter kit katong mga dishwashing and mga bottles na pwede na natong pang-business. And aside from that, yung grocery items na pwede i-negosyo. Naman nila ang inatag sa inyo pero pinipindi ko nilang sulod sa tindahan. I suggest pwede nyo pahinom kung inyo i-additional sa inyong kulong at matong sa inyong barangay. Minsa kaya ang carton ba, ang vacuum rubber ba, ang linis ba, ang kapulong ba, o ang post barangay ang Kadalian. Okay? Romy James Marketing Awards this Kapwa Award o kababayan ay may ayudang pangkabuhayan at White Glow Assistance Award. 2. Nasa for having been chosen as a Kapwa Awardee of Romy James Marketing White Glow Products for the exemplary performance during the conduct of business management training, live trainings, and product making from April to September 2025. This award is given on the 20th day of September 2025 at Barangay Kadalian Gymnasium, Bago District, Davao City,